here we are with prevailing counsel. I see they've been busy. You can see by the table there, that's how things look at the close of a trial and during it. Well, actually, during it, it's worse than that, I can tell you from experience. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Would you introduce yourselves for the record?
India Minshoff.
Steve Kuzma, we both represented the plaintiffs in this case.
Which was Savas Gianismidis in his role as executor of his father Vasilios Gianismidis' estate, and also in his individual capacity.
Terrific. Tell us just briefly, I mentioned outside that the case involved issues of trusts and money, liquid money, actual hard money that was found, or that was missing from a hole in the ground back in the motherland in Greece. There was money allegedly in the curtains of a home in Greece. What was going on here?
What we had here was a very nice, loving man, a family man, Vasilios, who trusted his daughter. And unfortunately, that trust was misplaced, and she took advantage of him financially, and through the financial exploitation was able to essentially steal $127,000 from the hole in the ground.
Now, I enjoy the work that you all do, and I caught you last year, of course, in the $1.6 million verdict with Scott Hyman and his neighbors, Don and Julie Prescott, in the anti-Semitic property case down there in Lakeville with the swastikas and all that. Now, I understand that case is still languishing. It's been about a year now to the day, and there were some post-trial motions filed, but yet nothing has gone on. The plaintiff does not have a final appealable order, and it's just kind of stuck there. What do you think may happen there? What are your hopes for that case?
We're hoping that the evidence that the judge denies their post-judgment motions, and we proceed to collection on the judgment. And if they choose to appeal, obviously that's their right. But at this point, we don't see any appellate issues. We think it was the case was well tried, and we don't see any appellate issues created by the judge who presided at the trial.
Yeah, I didn't either. And to my mind, it seemed like, if anything, the opposing counsel's arguments, the defense counsel's arguments, seemed to point out a possible case of malpractice on himself for allowing certain information in that he didn't object to. So I think that's an issue there as well. So I don't know what's going to go on with that, but I will be watching. And again, it's my privilege and honor to be a landmark videographer for these kinds of things and come in where major media does not give extensive coverage and to provide it.
Well,
Thank you, Mr. King.
Let me tell you, it's important to document cases like this. So, through your efforts, these cases do get documented. People do watch them.